Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 178. I'm Marcus Chen. In the next minutes, you'll discover a powerful AI tool or workflow that can dramatically increase your nomad income. Today, the referral engine, how to turn every completed project into repeat revenue, referrals, and sellable micro products while you travel. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. Hook. Imagine this. You paste a project holder into Airtable, and in 10 seconds, an AI summarizes the project, highlights the outcome, and drafts a personalized referral email tailored to the client's network. That email books warm intros while you're on a plane. This isn't hype. It's a practical workflow. This changes everything for nomads because one finished job becomes a recurring pipeline, not a single paycheck. Promise and preview. Here's what the referral engine does in plain terms. It extracts outcomes in client-friendly language from your deliverables, turns those into a short Loom recap, crafts a personalized referral ask and partner pitch, and sequences follow-ups automatically. Outcomes, steady referral and flow, partner-led opportunities, and micro products you can sell or repurpose. I'll give you exact prompts, the recommended stack, and a 90-minute launch plan. Here's the exact prompt/stack. Concept Deep Dive, Anatomy of the Engine. Step 1. Client Summary Extraction. Feed the project brief, deliverables, and result metrics into ChatGPT and get a single paragraph outcome summary optimized for social proof. Step 2. Referral Asks. A short personalized email and a 30 to 60 second Loom that humanizes the request. Step 3. Partner Pitches. An outreach template to complementary service providers who can resell or refer you for a revenue share. Step 4. Micro products. Extract checklists, templates, or a mini course from the work and publish as a landing page. Step 5. Automated follow-ups. Schedule sequenced outreach and booking links so the engine runs without you.
Let's make this actually work for you. 2 ethical guardrails up front. 1. Always ask a quick permission checkbox at project close before you reuse outcomes or client names. 2. Include a human verification step before sending any AI-crafted outreach. You should approve the final copy. These steps keep outreach warm and relationship forward, while still letting automation handle the heavy lifting.
Exact prompts and scripts. I'll read the exact prompts I use. Copy these into ChatGPT or your preferred LLM. First, the project summarizer prompt. You are an outcomes editor. Given the project brief, deliverables, and client results below, produce a 1-paragraph summary, 30-40 words, that highlights the measurable outcome, 1 client quote-style sentence, and 3 bullet points, business impact, ideal referral target, and suggested microproduct. Then, the referral email prompt. Write a short referral email, 6 to 8 sentences. Start with a personalized line referencing the client result. Include a 1-sentence Loom recap offer, name 2 ideal referral targets, and close with a clear call to book via Calendly. Tone, warm, professional, and not pushy. Here's the exact prompt/stack. Partner pitch prompt. Create a 150-word partnership pitch for complementary agencies. State the client outcome, propose a 20% referral fee or co-marketing swap, include a suggested case study blurb they can reuse, and a soft call to action to schedule a 20-minute intro. Tone collaborative and opportunity-driven. Micro product outline prompt. Turn the project deliverables into a 5-section micro product. Intro, 3 lessons, checklist, and a 10-minute Loom sales recap. Provide a price suggestion and 2 distribution channels, Notion paywall, Gumroad, or Webflow checkout. Sample Loom recap script, 30 to 45 seconds. Hi client, quick recap. We increased conversion by 18% in 6 weeks. Here's what changed, here's a screenshot of the key metric, and here's a small ask. Do you know 2 people who'd benefit from this? I can send a short note. Thanks.
Tech stack and automation flow. Map this in Airtable as your source of truth. Fields, client name opt-in only, project summary, outcome metric, ideal referral targets, Loom URL, outreach status, and partner pitch status. Trigger, when outreach status equals ready, Zapier or Make calls ChatGPT to generate drafts, stores drafts back in Airtable that notifies you for approval. After approval, Zapier sends the email via SendGrid and creates a follow-up event in Calendly or Cal.com for warm intro bookings. Publish microproducts to Webflow or Notion with a single-click Airtable webhook. Stack quick list, ChatGPT, content, Airtable, database, Zapier/Make automation, SendGrid, email, Loom, video, Calendly/Cal.com scheduling, Webflow/Notion landing pages.
A quick implementation map. Set up 3 automations. 1. Project to summarize or draft. 2. Draft to human review to send. And 3. Project to microproduct creation. Limit batch sends to 3 to 5 per week, and always attach that Loom recap so outreach reads personal. Small steps keep response rates high and avoid spammy patterns. The human review ensures accuracy and keeps your brand voice intact.
Monetization and time savings. 3 concrete income paths. 1. Referrals that convert to retainers. If 5% of referrals become a $2,000 monthly retainer, one client project could produce recurring income. 2. Partner revenue share. A 20% finder fee on a $5,000 contract is $1,000 per successful intro. 3. Micro product sales. Publish a $29 checklist or template and sell 50 copies per quarter. Time math, setup takes around 90 minutes. After that, automations can reduce outreach and follow-up time by 6 to 10 hours per month while creating passive referral revenue. That's freeing weeks per year to travel or take higher value clients.
Risks and mitigations. Biggest risks are sounding impersonal, sharing inaccurate claims, and mishandling client data. Mitigations. Always include a Loom recap to humanize. Build a verification step so you sign off on metrics and claims, and add an explicit consent checkbox during project close that records permission to use outcomes. If a client says no, archive the project and respect that decision. Reputation is the real currency.
Immediate action. A 60-minute starter you can do right now. Minute 0 to 10. Create an Airtable base with the fields I named. Minute 10 to 30. Paste one finished project into the base and run the project summarizer prompt in ChatGPT. Minute 30 to 45. Record a 30 to 45 second Loom recap using the sample script. Minute 45 to 60. Set outreach status to ready and create a zap that sends the draft to your inbox for approval. That's it. You've started your engine in an hour. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. Want the exact Airtable template, zap recipes, and the prompt pack? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. The show notes include a direct download for the episode templates and step-by-step setup videos. Start with the 1-hour build and use the course to scale it into a full referral machine. That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.